very sad day for me, which I wanted to document. I have some good news and I also have some bad news that I want to share with you guys. So first thing first is video of me chilling in my car because today I am letting go of my baby girl. My baby girl has been with me since I was 19, you know, from college to internship to my first job, all the way, you know, from Kedah to Johor, bringing me to places, bringing my family on holidays and all that jazz. She has been the most fantastic girl ever, and it breaks my heart that I need to let her go. It's always your first car moment that I've always told myself that I would do anything to keep her. I would try my best to keep her, and maybe my future kids will get to use her because this is my first car. Story cut short is it's not that I don't want to keep her and keep my promise. Kind of dawns on me, you know, when we were younger, and then we always need to write stories about things like aku sebuah kereta or aku sebuah pen or whatever, and then you need to buang them or you need to lepaskan them, you know. Well, the heartbreak is real, guys. Baby SE has not been feeling her best, and when she's not feeling her best, it takes like multiple times of going to the car workshop, getting service done, things like that. So after much consideration, I decided it's time for baby SE to go and accompany a new owner, maybe a fresh graduate or anything, because I mean, she's a baby girl. She needs lots of attention, lots of love, and I hope the best for her. Be good, okay? Be good. So yeah, that's the sad part. Today I will be sending my car over to the dealer. That's like a final goodbye. I'm just like chilling with her right now. I've been spending time with her. I've been like driving her around, talking to her in the car by myself, you know, just like, she's a good car. She's badass. Like, my V are badass. Seriously, Ivy. Dwight. Gonna be an emotional day. Apart from this, there is also some good news that I want to share with you guys, so stay tuned. Off to sending my car now. So sad. Be good, baby girl. Be good. On our way to take my car. Excited?
Yes, I got no car.
You have new cars. Stay there.
They bring it first.
Woohoo! Got my car. First thing first. Let's just tampal first. I'll tampal nicely.
Siapa tu? Tengok siapa tu? Tengok siapa tu dalam kereta baru, Chef? Tengok ni. Nakal.
Guys, I'm driving my Audi. Hey guys, so today I'll be surprising my parents who have no idea that I bought an Audi, and we will be so the plan is Kevin will drive first and he will be the the first to reach, and he will like say that, oh, I sure has a surprise for you. Then I'll slowly park in front of them.
Great, new plan.
Okay.
Right, see you guys there.
Okay, pose babe, pose. Yay. Let's go. Hey guys, just exited Seremban Toll. So Kelvin just took off. He is going to reach first, and then usually my parents will come out to welcome us. So then I will slowly make my way and like beep beep. Hi.
You a car?
Yes.
What are you doing with the car like this?
What do you mean? Like you want to open the door? Just put. You don't pull the handle. It opens. It opens lah. Just open the car.
Not safe lah.
No, the key needs to be near.
The bear is there.
Oh yeah.
Die oh.
No, this one uncle just now said I didn't position it like that. You can go higher. Nice, right? Nice or not? Nice or not?
Nice, beautiful. Wow, I can put what here?
Put ginger. Oh.